Hello everyone. Welcome to Peak English. This is our listening channel. Today we have a very special video. We are going to a grocery store, but not a normal store. It is the most expensive grocery store in the world. The name of the store is Erewhon. It is in Los Angeles. You will learn many things today. You will learn English words for shopping. You will learn how to talk about food. You will learn how to talk about money. It is very useful for beginners. Let me introduce our story. Our friends are Alex and Amelia. They want to see this famous store. They want to see the crazy prices. Do not worry. The conversation will be slow. The words will be clear. You can easily understand them. Now, here is your listening challenge. Listen very carefully to the story. How much money does Alex pay for his smoothie? I will ask you again at the end. Try to find the answer. Are you ready? Let's start the story.
We are finally here.
Yes, we are.
Do you see the sign?
I see it up there. It says Erewhon.
This is the place.
Look at the parking lot.
What is wrong with it?
It is very full today.
Yes, it is very crowded.
And look at the cars.
Wow, they are so shiny.
They are all luxury cars.
That is a black Porsche.
That is a white Mercedes.
People here have a lot of money.
I feel a little nervous now.
Do not be nervous.
Okay, I will try.
We are just looking around.
That is true. We do not have to buy anything.
Let's walk to the front door.
Okay, let's go.
Here is the main door.
Let's go inside and see.
Wow.
It is very nice in here.
Yes, it really is.
It feels very open.
And it feels very airy.
The ceiling is very high.
I like the light wood finishes.
It looks very natural and beautiful.
Do you smell that?
Yes, I smell it.
What is it?
It smells like fresh food and fruit.
I feel like I am in a health food store.
Everything is so clean.
Yes, it is extremely orderly.
Nothing is out of place.
Where should we go first?
Let's go to the fruit section.
That is a great idea.
Follow me, Alex.
Alex and Amelia walk to the fruit section.
Look at all this fresh fruit.
It looks very delicious.
Look at these strawberries over here.
They look very big and red.
The sign says they are Japanese strawberries.
Japanese strawberries sound very fancy.
Do you see the price tag?
Let me find the tag for you. Oh my goodness.
What is it, Amelia?
It is $20.
$20?
Yes, $20.
For a small box of strawberries?
No, Alex. Not a box.
No? Then for how many?
It is $20 for a single strawberry.
You are joking with me.
I am not joking at all. Look.
That is absolutely crazy.
Yes, it is very crazy.
I cannot buy that strawberry.
Let's look at something else.
Okay. Look over here at this pink fruit.
What kind of fruit do you see?
This is cut up dragon fruit.
I love eating dragon fruit.
The pink color is very bright and pretty.
It makes me want to eat it right now.
Wait a minute, Amelia.
Why should I wait?
Look at the price tag first.
Let me see it. Wow, I am surprised again.
How much is the dragon fruit?
It is $25.
$25?
Yes, 25.
For a small plastic box?
Just a very small box.
That is too expensive for me.
I think I will not eat dragon fruit today.
Me neither. Let's walk away.
They walk away and go to the next aisle.
What is in this clear jar?
I do not know what that is.
The label says sea moss gel.
Sea moss? What is that?
It is a plant that grows in the sea.
What do you do with sea plant gel?
The label says it is very good for your health.
Do you eat it with a spoon?
I think you put it inside a drink.
How much does this jar cost?
Let me find the price tag on the shelf. Oh, wow. This is unbelievable.
Tell me the price, Alex.
It is $40.
$40 for sea plant gel?
Yes, $40.
Whatever that is, it is way too expensive.
I agree with you completely.
Let's keep moving down the aisle.
Here is the salad dressing section.
I love making salad at home.
Look at this fancy balsamic Saba dressing.
Does it look good to you?
It looks very dark and rich.
That sounds delicious for a green salad.
Are you ready for the price of this bottle?
I am a little scared to ask.
Guess how much it is?
Is it $10?
No, guess again.
Is it $20?
Much higher.
$30.
It is $50.
$50.
Yes, for one bottle of dressing.
My whole salad does not cost $50.
I know. That is a very rich salad.
This store is wild.
Alex and Amelia walk to the fitness section.
Look at all these big plastic tubs.
What are inside those tubs?
It is plant protein powder.
Ah, I see. It is for building muscles.
Yes, you drink it after you exercise.
How much is a tub of powder here?
This one is $60.
$60.
Is that price crazy to you?
Actually, that is not that crazy.
Really? You think so?
Yes, I do. My protein powder at home is like $60 too.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. So some things have a normal price here.
Yes, a little bit normal.
Let's look at the honey now.
The honey jars are over there.
Let's go check them out.
This one is called raw Manuka honey.
What is Manuka honey?
It is a very special kind of honey.
Is it extra good for you?
Yes, it is very healthy and good for your throat.
Let's look at the price for this healthy honey.
Here is the tag on the glass. Oh my goodness, not again.
How much is the honey?
It is $70.
$70?
Yes, 70.
For one small jar of honey?
Just for one small jar.
I cannot believe my eyes.
The bees who made this must be very rich.
That is a very funny joke.
They walk past the clothing section.
Wait a minute. Do they sell clothes here?
Yes, look at this display.
Those are just white socks.
They have the store name printed on them.
It says Erewhon on the side.
Do you want to buy a pair of socks?
Maybe. Let me check the price tag first.
Okay. I am watching you.
Wow.
How much money for socks?
They are $32.
$32 for socks?
Yes, for one pair.
Are they made of gold threads?
No, it is just normal white cotton.
I will keep wearing my old socks.
Me too. Let's put them back on the shelf. Amelia, I do not understand something.
What do you not understand?
Why are people lining up to pay these high prices?
That is a very good question, Alex.
The prices are so high. Why do they buy it?
It is because of the store standard.
The store standard? What does that mean?
Yes, the store has very strict rules for food.
What kind of strict rules?
Rules about the ingredients inside the food.
Please tell me more about it.
They check every single thing very carefully.
Really? They check everything?
Yes, they check it before a product comes into the store.
So you pay extra money for trust?
Exactly. You pay for very high quality and safety.
Give me an example of a rule.
Okay, let me think of one. First, there are no refined sugars allowed.
No sugar at all?
No bad sugar, only natural sweet things.
Ah, I see. That is much better.
Also, there are no artificial colors allowed.
That is good. Fake colors are bad for the body.
Yes, and no artificial flavors either.
Everything tastes natural.
Yes, 100% real food.
That makes me feel very healthy just hearing about it.
Also, all the fresh produce is organic.
All of the fruit is organic?
Yes, every single piece.
All of the vegetables too?
Yes, all of them.
That is very hard to do for a big store.
Yes, it is very difficult.
No wonder the strawberries are so expensive.
Exactly. They are very clean and safe. Do you want to know about the meat?
Yes, what is the rule for the meat?
All the meat is grass-fed.
Wow, that is high quality.
And the chickens are free range.
So the animals are happy and can run around.
Yes, they live a good life outside.
That is very important to me.
It is important to many people who shop here.
Suddenly, Amelia pulls Alex's arm.
Alex, look over there.
Where are you pointing?
Over there, near the hot food bar.
I am looking right now.
Do you see that tall woman?
The one with the big black sunglasses?
Yes, that is her.
Who is she?
I think she is a very famous singer.
A real celebrity? Here?
Yes, many celebrities come to shop here.
Because the store's in Los Angeles?
Yes, and it is a status symbol.
What is a status symbol?
It means shopping here makes you look cool and rich.
Oh, I understand now.
You are eating the same food the stars eat.
I feel a little bit famous already. All this talk about food makes me hungry.
Let's look at the hot food bar then.
Okay, let's walk over there.
Wow, there is so much hot food.
It looks very delicious and warm.
Look at the yellow mac and cheese.
I really love mac and cheese.
It is a very popular item at this store.
Does it look good to you?
It looks amazing and creamy.
What else is there to eat?
Over there is a sushi sandwich.
A sushi sandwich? I have never seen that.
Yes, it is very famous on the internet.
Should we buy some hot food for lunch?
I think it might be very expensive.
You are probably right.
Let's just get a cold drink instead.
Good idea. Let's find the drinks.
They walk to the smoothie bar at the front of the store.
Here is the smoothie bar.
Oh no, the line is very long.
Yes, many people are waiting to order.
Why are they waiting so long?
They want to buy a famous smoothie.
Let's stand in line and wait too.
Okay, we will stand right here.
Look at the menu on the wall.
They have many different flavors.
Do they have fruit flavors?
Yes, I see berry, banana, and mango.
They sound very healthy and sweet.
And I am sure they use very fresh fruit.
I cannot wait to see what you order.
I am excited too.
The line is moving. It is almost our turn.
I need to choose my drink quickly.
It is Alex's turn to talk to the cashier.
Hello there. Welcome to the smoothie bar.
Hello, how are you?
I am doing great. What can I make for you today?
I have decided. I would like the famous celebrity smoothie, please.
Ah, you mean the Hailey Bieber smoothie?
Yes, that is the one.
You really want to try it, Alex?
Yes, I do.
That is a very popular choice today.
Excuse me, what is inside that smoothie?
It has strawberries, almond milk, and coconut cream.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Will that be all for you today?
Yes, just one smoothie, please.
All right, your total comes to $20.
I am sorry, did you say $20?
Yes, $20 even.
$20 for one drink?
Okay, here is a $20 bill.
Thank you very much. We will call your name when it is ready.
Thank you.
You actually paid $20 for it.
Most people spend that much on a whole dinner.
That is very true.
I would never buy this normally.
But today is a special day.
Yes, I am doing it just for the experience.
After 5 minutes, the cashier calls Alex.
One Hailey Bieber smoothie ready.
That is mine. Thank you.
Enjoy your drink. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Wow, let me look at it.
The colors are really nice.
It is pink on top and white on the bottom.
The cup is very cold in my hand.
Are you going to drink it now?
Yes, I am ready to taste it.
Go ahead, take a big sip.
Cheers to you, Amelia.
Cheers to your $20 drink.
Slurp. Wow, it is cold.
I am watching your face. Tell me how it is.
Gulp. Let me take one more sip.
Well, do you like it?
Let me think about the flavor for a second.
Come on, tell me.
Holy cow.
Is it bad? Did you waste your money?
No, it is really, really good.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I promise that is not a fake reaction.
Wow, I am shocked.
It is honestly one of the best things I've ever had.
What exactly does it taste like?
It is very creamy and coconutty,
I really love coconut flavor.
and it is very fresh and delicious.
Can I try a little bit of it?
Yes, of course. Here, try it.
Slurp. Let me taste this fancy drink. Oh, wow.
It is super good, right?
I know. It is way more coconutty than I expected it to be.
I guess it is worth the money just to try it once in your life.
Alex and Amelia walk outside the store.
That was a very fun trip today.
Yes, it was a very interesting experience.
The inside of the store is very beautiful,
And all the food is very clean and healthy.
but honestly, it is way too expensive for me to shop there every day.
It is too expensive for most normal people, Alex.
It is a luxury store for rich people.
Yes, like I said, it is a status symbol.
But I am still glad we went inside to look around.
Me too. We learned a lot today.
By the way, are you hungry now?
Yes, I am very hungry after looking at all that food.
Let's go home and cook something in our own kitchen.
Yes, we can make a cheap and healthy dinner.
That sounds perfect. Let's go to our car.
Okay, let's go.
And that is the end of our story today. Did you enjoy the trip to Erewhon? What did you think of the store and the food? Do you think the prices are completely crazy? I personally think $25 for cut fruit is very high. Now it is time for the listening challenge. Do you remember my question from the beginning of the video? How much money did Alex pay for his celebrity smoothie? Write your answer in the comments section below. Please try to write your comment in English. Do not be shy if you make a mistake. Writing a simple sentence helps you learn English very fast. If you liked this video, please click the like button. It really helps our channel grow and reach more beginners. And do not forget to click subscribe. We have many more fun stories coming soon for you. Keep practicing your English every single day. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.